What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Here today I'm on the Blue Ridge Tunnel Trail. It's an old railroad tunnel. You can see the railroad tracks right there. Old railroad tunnel that goes under the Blue Ridge Mountains, just at the bottom of Shenandoah National Park, all the way at the most southern end of National Park. So I'm gonna walk around out here. It's a half-mile walk in from the trailhead to actually get to the tunnel, and then I'll see what's in the tunnel, and then I'll walk back out. It's supposed to start raining in like 30 minutes, and so maybe I'll be in the tunnel when it rains, and then hopefully by the time I get back out it'll be cleared. They just recently reopened this tunnel, maybe a couple of months ago. It had been closed for however long, I don't know, some number of years, and I guess they finally reopened it. So this is the first time I've been able to get up here to it to come see what's up about it. I guess it's like a mile. The actual tunnel is like a mile under the mountain, and so you have to have like headlamps and stuff. Have one in the bag, and then we'll see what's going on with that. As you can tell, it's quite scenic, just with the chain link fence and gravel trail. It's really hot today. It's like 92 or 3 degrees, and it's supposed to cool off once the thunderstorms I was just talking about come through. It is supposed to cool off, but man, it's hot right now. I was gonna try to come backpacking today, but you know, it's supposed to be thunderstorms in the evening. It's supposed to rain pretty much all night, so that didn't sound to me like something that would be all that enjoyable. So I just decided I would come up here and wander around. I'm gonna actually go into the park once I'm done with this, and we'll see what's going on. There's a few short hikes that I think I can do without exposing myself to being out in the lightning or whatever. I'm looking around to see if I can actually take a picture of something, but I mean, right now the sunshine is not really helping my cause. Maybe huh. Thought that was some kind of animal walking around. I'm sure it's probably a bird or something, just making itself sound big. But anyway, let me walk all the way to the tunnel, and then see if maybe I can talk about something once I'm there. Okay, well, I'm sort of out in the rain. I tried to take a couple pictures in the tunnel, but it just didn't work, even with flash. I thought maybe I could light up some of the rocks and have it fade to dark, but it just didn't work. So I'm just kind of walking out the other side. It's raining now, which sure enough is what I just knocked the eyepiece off my camera. I think I'm gonna turn around, go back to the tunnel. It's getting a little harder. I came out here mostly just because I wanted to try to get the make sure I got the verified complete badge on my All Trails map, but I think I'm just gonna pass it up. I either got it or I didn't. So back inside the tunnel I go. So that's the tunnel you see behind me. I would try to record something in the tunnel, but just using like my camera flash. But the thing is it echoes so bad going in. I'm sure the people behind me can actually hear me right now, but it echoes so bad that I didn't want to do it. I just had to run to get out of the rain. I'm trying to keep my camera dry, but anyway, I'll turn on this for right now. Yeah, it's raining. I really hope it ends by the time I get to the other end of the tunnel, so I won't have to walk the half mile back to my car in the rain. It's not good. So yeah, no pictures on this little part of the journey. Almost 8. dark, and maybe it'll stop raining for a few minutes. So, out of the tunnel, I don't know if you can see it right here on the road. It's so much cooler out here now, but it's so humid that you actually see the steam coming up off of the road. When I was walking through the tunnel, you could actually see the steam coming off of me, and you could see my breath, but it's got to be 15 degrees cooler out here right now than it was when I started. I mean, it has cooled down in a hurry, and I think, as you can see, I don't have my camera here because I don't want to walk with it in the rain. It got a little damp on the other side, but trying to see what's going on out here now. I'm really just trying to get back to the car, but I mean, overall, the tunnel was kind of neat. You saw a little bit of the video there that I did, although, to be fair, you probably just thought you were looking at like rock walls or something. But anyway, that was supposed to be the looking through the tunnel, but there's really no way to do a video in there because, you know, you don't have enough light. You have to be in there with full, you know, camera crews and studio lights and stuff. Just light coming off my phone and even my headlamp on full setting didn't really do anything. But on the way back to the car, yeah, headed back to the car. So actually, as I'm walking back to the car, I was undecided about this, but I'm actually just going to go ahead and end this one, and it's just going to be in and out of the Blue Ridge Tunnel. And I did get one picture of a person that was standing like silhouetted in the tunnel entrance, and you saw that one. And yeah, that's it for this one. Blue Ridge Tunnel, neat thing, not very photogenic. And with that, see you again next time.